What's up guys? So today I have another photo shoot video of an early morning beach shoot that I did a few months back here in Newport Beach. I haven't been taking too much photos lately due to the whole virus situation, so today I decided to schedule a test shoot to slowly get me back on track. And since this is my first shoot back after a very long break, I didn't want to bring in a very big team to just keep it simple. So for the first look, we just went with a simple neutral color dress that seemed to fit the calm early morning vibe at the beach. I decided to keep my model away from the water for this look and just use it as a backdrop so I can get that soft, calm, and laid back look that I was going for. For the next look, we went with a white swimwear that I think really looked good against the rocks near the water. I noticed that the waves are starting to get bigger, so I decided to get a little closer to the water this time to catch some of those waves behind my model. This helped me give the photos a little bit more of that dramatic look. For the last look, we went with a green dress that I decided to shoot against the rocks away from the water so we can get more of that warm, earthy tone. And that is it for this shoot. I'm slowly getting back out there and planning more shoots since the restrictions are slowly getting lifted here in California. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel to see more photography related content, and I'll see you guys in the next one.